answer me one thing. Did you ever feel that you should have more money?
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't? Exactly. I know even you feel, I know even I feel, I know even Akshata feels. सबको ये रहता ही है. But then there are people who are not good with handling expensive things.
Like me, I think I'm pretty scared to like handle anything expensive.
Which brings us to today's video. People who are gonna fail at expensive things. Basically वो fails जिसके वजह से आपको भारी नुकसान होता है. So this is not something that you guys have commented, but we just wanted to change it up, switch it up a little bit. I think this is gonna be a fun video.
Yeah.
हम दूसरों को expensive fail देखें और उस पे हंसे.
Yeah.
That is the motive of the video. Are you ready?
Let's start.
चलो, let's start.
This, the B-flat contrabass trombone.
Oh, that is the face of disappointment right there. That is the face of disappointment.
He knows because he has dropped the headphones.
Oh my god. मेरे हाथ से गिरा हुआ था like brand new. Unboxing के लिए हम लोग निकाला और मेरे हाथ से बॉक्स उड़ के धार करके.
This is the exact same one. This one.
Oh
this,
my
this.
god.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Fuck.
Hey, this is my forte. Like sports bike, come on. Hey, अगर आपको पता है ना, even I have a sports bike. मेरे को ऐसे कोई क्लिप में वगैरह फीचर नहीं होने का है. So, but if you want to check out स्पोर्ट्स बाइक का वीडियो हमारे सेकंड चैनल पे है. I'll just put it over here या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक डाल दूंगा. Go and check it out. We actually took our sports bike on a runway, like an airport runway, and oh boss, जो मजा आया बाइक फुल ओपन करने को. Check it out, check it out.
Oh shit.
We'll go in the pool.
Oh shit. Oh no.
दुख होता है भाई.
Oh no.
Oh, that is no. Yo, you never do this. कूलन कभी भी ऐसा नहीं खुलना चाहिए भाई साहब. This could have gone so wrong so quick. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
He's gonna. He's. I felt that between my legs. Like just falling with that, like it wasn't an expensive fail, it was like a painful fail.
But why would anybody?
What do you think he was trying to be Miley Cyrus?
Yeah.
Boys do stupid
Oh
things.
god. Clearly.
And I think Marathi पोरगा होता. नहीं बोलत होता.
Yeah.
Flip.
If you say so.
It's gone.
Oh my god.
Don't do stupid stuff
This
like
is
this.
just stupid.
Oh, the house.
Oh shit. Oh damn. I hope nobody was in the house.
Oh no. Oh, his handle came off.
Oh shit.
My god, you remember? Oh my god.
Oh
Yo.
shit.
This happened to me.
Your handle came off?
Yeah, my handle came off. मैं रहूँगा कॉलेज में था. I had my Pulsar 200. I think ये किसी को पता नहीं है.
I don't think even I know.
Yeah, I was मैं कॉलेज के बाहर था and I used to pop wheelies back in the day. Okay.
Pop wheels.
So तभी मेरा 200 का अपना जो हैंडल रहता है ना वो मैंने रिप्लेस किया था. Usually it's like a rod. अभी जो स्प्लिट हैंडल बोलते हैं. स्प्लिट हैंडल बोलते तो मैंने रिप्लेस किया था. And I had a split handle. So basically right वाला अलग रहता है, left वाला अलग रहता है. It's like two separate rods. And I just picked it up. I picked up the bike and this one, it came loose. And because it was loose, I couldn't control the accelerator. Accelerator you can only give when the handle is like tight, right? If it's loose, वो कुछ भी करो. Oh my god. I was so scared. scared. And मैं लैंड किया और लेफ्ट में आई सॉ लाइक अ माउंटेन ऑफ जो कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए जो रेती यूज करते हैं उसका एक छोटा सा ऐसा लंप जैसा था. मैंने उसके ऊपर वही चढ़ा दी. मैंने उसके ऊपर चढ़ी क्योंकि मेरे को वो
at least you'll have some cushioning.
No, I did not crash. मेरे को पता था कि it will go and it won't go. Like मैं उसके ऊपर से जब नहीं मारूंगा वहाँ पे
It
जाकर
will
रुक
break
जाएगा.
the speed. You have
My
done some stupid shit.
I have. Biking में तो I definitely have.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, he's ice
Maybe I
fishing.
cannot take pictures of you when I keep knocking them out with that gold jig.
Why do I feel like he's gonna fall for the
I
inside?
just lost my phone. Holy I thought about
Snowmobile का खात्मा
No,
देखने
no,
वाला.
no!
My God!
In the face.
No. Why?
This is just stupid, huh?
But to be honest, he's good at it. Yeah.
He is.
He's got.
Till now.
And you know what? I think is this Venice?
Venice.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Looks like Venice, right? यार हम लोग Venice like one of our best trips, huh?
Dream place.
हम लोग last
I
July
would
नहीं last July
love
नहीं.
to go again.
We went in 2019
2019.
July. उसके बाद में कोविड हुआ फिर
2019 was by far my best travel year.
ड्रोन.
Oh!
What is it gonna?
TV?
Why my leg?
Oh my. What the hell? Oh
Is it
no!
going to park?
Oh shit! Oh my
उसको
god!
मैं मस्त में फ्राई करके खा गया.
Is he gonna drop the lens? Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it.
In the water. No.
Oh shit!
This shit is so expensive, yaar. Drones.
Drones are difficult to control when you first start.
It is.
Oh my god.
No. Another VR. Yeah, TV is gone.
Oh shit!
Oh no. Is that a Maserati or Ferrari? What was it?
Ooh. Matte black.
I'm not paying any parking fee. Told me it's parking,
But the car is so
मतलब
cool.
ऐसा, yeah, you buy a Lambo like you're rich and then you do चिंदीगिरी like this. नहीं भरने के parking का. Oh my God!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Again!
No, this. Oh, yeah, again. Oh no. What is this?
Helicopter? Oh shit!
Oh, yo! Oh, I have seen this clip. Oh my God. I think the guy who was launching it, he didn't know the bike was on. And वो एक्सेलेटर पे हाथ देके. Okay, so see what happens.
Oh my god! Oh shit!
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
Ocean is wild.
It's
Oh, it's falling.
It's oh shit! Oh shit!
Well, that is the first time I'm seeing
Yeah.
a windmill fall.
Oh!
He's
Stop!
gonna crash.
Stop!
near the forward, near the forward.
Oh no! Oh no! The crane is gonna.
Oh, there was a guy inside.
my god.
Hey, you have to be careful when you own a Lambo or any supercar
Oh my
or any
God.
super bike. You know, एक expensive तो होता है रिपेयर करना, लेकिन जो दिल में जो दर्द होता है.
Forget about such an expensive car. Even like my chotu car also, if it gets scratched somewhere, I feel like, oh my god. तो ये तो like
Wow, you have to do this.
this is just stupid.
It's gone. He just took it in. It's like it's gone. It's
Like,
gone.
can't be saved. Oh no!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, I think from this you know who the real friends are, okay?
Yeah.
जो bride के बाजू में है, उसने bride को पकड़ लिया, okay, that she doesn't fall. And look at this, even before falling, look at the one on the right. She is ready to like just run away from there. Like fuck that shit, I'm out like that.
Oh my god!
Gone. Gone.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
How is this guy? How is one guy already back in the water?
Oh my god!
He must have jumped.
Oh my god!
How is that guy
He
back
must
in the
have
water?
jumped out.
And he's laughing.
Oh my god! Oh my
I feel
god!
so bad for the bride.
Oh, the bottle's gonna break.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Why would anybody do this?
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Why would anyone do that without a helmet?
You know this happened to me.
Like this?
No, like the bike on top of me. You remember? Or you don't.
You have done so much shit. I have chosen not to remember.
Hey, your boy was a stunter back in the day. अभी नहीं, क्योंकि अब the bike is way too expensive to do all these things. Cannot afford little bit of damage on that. No.
Not because you might have become little wiser. No. There's no chance.
Nah,
It's only because of the bike.
it's absolutely because of the bike. It is way too much powerful. It is way too much powerful. Yo, so what did you think about today's video? We tried something else.
I thoroughly enjoyed
Yeah,
it.
even I enjoyed it, to be honest. And I think हम लोग को और भी ये करना चाहिए, right? But only if you guys enjoy this.
Yes.
Yeah. So the only thing you have to do right now is to comment down if you enjoyed watching this. Then we will surely do more of it. Expensive fail हो गया, we can do. Maybe try not to laugh on the next one.
Oh god.
That's gonna be hard.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So this was an experimental video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. जरूर हमें comment करके बताइए if you enjoyed this video and if we should do more of such kind, like something different other than the creators that we do, or you know,
Yeah.
like a compilation video kind of.
Yes.
All right. So this will be it.
कितनी टाया वाजवतो सर तू.
So this will be it.
This will be it.
All right, ladies and gents. Thank you very much for making this a part of your day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop a
Like.
and we will see you guys in the
Next one. किती नुसतं आपलं.
But that काय झालं?
Easy to do. बंद कर.